Hello viewers, welcome once again to Frequency Online Maths. Today we are going to continue from where we stopped in finding the derivative of what? Secx, which is what? Secx tanx. So using first principle, method, we are going to have that a over dx of f of x is equals to limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So that's the first principle what method, the formula. So we are going to have that limit as h approaches 0. Our f is what? Sec x plus h minus sec x all over h. So that we are going to have limit as h approaches 0. Sec is equal to what? 1 over cos. You put x plus h minus sec is 1 over cos. 1 over cos x all over h. So we are going to have limit as h approaches 0, 1 over, okay, at this place now, this thing is what? A fraction within what? A fraction. So if you want to get rid of this thing, we are going to put this h in this form, 1 over h multiplied by the LCM of the what? First fraction. You draw a line and find the LCM. The LCM of cos x plus h minus cos x is what? Cos x plus h cos x. So this thing divided by this one will go. Remaining cos x. Multiplying 1 is what? Cos x. This one into this one will go. Remaining this one. So you have minus cos x plus h. So that, let's start with that. So that we are going to have limit as h approaches 0. 1 times cos x minus cos x plus h is what? Cos x minus cos bracket x plus h all over h multiply the denominator is what? H cos x plus h cos x. So at this point now, let's just leave the denominator. We are going to face the words numerator. Remember that the cos of an angle over the minus 1 over the angle, as the limit of the angle is approaching 0 is what? 0. But let's forget about that one. Cos x plus h, these are the compound angles. If you want to expand it, it's going to be expanding this thing, we are fixing it here. Cos a plus b is what? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So in order to expand this one, it's going to be limit as h approaches 0 cos x. This same thing I did here, just that you substitute your x and h. Substitute this a and b with your what? X and h. So let's do it. It's going to be minus cos x cos h, then minus sin x sin h all over h cos x plus h cos x. So we are going to have limit as h approaches 0 cos x minus cos x cos h. When this minus times this one to be what? Plus sin x sin h all over h cos x plus h cos x. So we are going to have limit as h approaches 0. We are going to do what? Factorize. This thing can be written as cos x bracket 1 minus cos h plus sin x sin h all over h cos x plus h cos x. At this point, I know you are understanding this. So just look at what we are going to do now. We are going to record that the cos of an angle over the angle minus 1 over the angle as the limit of the angle is approaching 0 is what? 0. See it here. And sine of an angle over the angle as the limit of the angle is approaching 0 is what? 1. So we are going to have limit as the h approaches 0 of cos x bracket 1 minus cos h all over h cos x plus h parenthesis close, then plus sine x sine h all over h cos x plus h cos x. Do you know the reason I wrote this thing like this? Because the denominator is for this one and this one. So I choose to just divide it. Yes. So we are going to have limit as h approaches 0. Let's just bring this thing out. Cos x all over cos x plus h cos x. Then times 1 minus cos h bracket close all over h. You know the reason I did it like this? I want to get that 1 minus cos h over h is equal to what? 0. So I want to get it here. So now plus, can I also do it here? What's your answer? Yes, we can do it. Let's do it. So we are going to have sine x all over, what will it be? We are just going to pick this cos x plus h cos h. I hope you are getting this thing now. So after picking this cos x plus h cos h, we are left with what? The denominator h. Then times sine h all over h. Can you tell me the reason I split this thing like this? I want to get sine h over h, which is equal to what? 1. Which is the cos of an angle over the angle, and the limit of the angle is approaching 0 is what? 1. Can you tell me what I'm forgetting? I'm forgetting to put my limits. Let me put it here. Limit as the h approaches 0. Remember to put it. Yes. So we are going to have limit as the h approaches 0. This one is already what? 0. So making all this thing here, okay, let's divide 1. 1, right? So we have 1 over cos x plus h. So times 0. So remember our h is approaching 0. If you put 0 here, x plus 0 is what? Is x. So times x is what? Cos x. So we have 1 over cos x times 0. So if you like, you can just leave it like that. Because 0 have terminated everything here. Do you get? So this limit is sweet. Just try and understand it. You know it's sweet. Don't worry. If you reach 3 function of cot is the sweetest. You enjoy it. So we are going to have limit of an angle as the angle is approaching 0. Sine of an angle, which is what? 1. So we are going to have 1 times sine x over cos. Remember that plus is here. Okay. So cos x plus h cos x. So let's move over to this side. So let me clean this please. Let me clean here. So we are going to have this whole place is 0. So let's just write 0 plus sine x all over. Remember the limit of this angle is approaching 0. Remember, limit of the angle is approaching 0. So x plus 0 is what? X. Cos x times x is what? Cos x. So cos x times cos x is what? Cos squared x. Are you getting anything now? Just go. So we are going to have 0 plus, can I write this thing as 1 over cos x times sine x over cos x. Can I? Yes, I can write it. The reason why I can write it because when I multiply it back, I'm still going to get what? This. So we are going to have 0 plus this thing, right? Remember, 1 over cos x is what? Is what? Sec. So we have sec x. Sin x over cos x is what? Tan x. So we have sec x times tan x. So the f prime of x is equals to, the f prime of x is equals to sec, sec x tan x. Proved. Thank you for viewing and may God bless you. In our next video, we are going to find the derivative of what? Cot x. You can just try it at home. In our next video, we are going to try it. Thank you.